Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add payment method to booking.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on booking.com, click the register option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, adding a payment method ensures that your bookings are secured with a valid payment source. This reduces the risk of losing a reservation due to delays and providing payment details or having your reservation canceled by the host. With a payment method on file, you can often take advantage of flexible booking options, such as being able to reserve rooms without immediate payment or canceling within a certain time frame without penalties, depending on the property's policies. Booking.com uses encryption and secure payment processing technologies to protect your payment information. Now, obviously, adding a payment method ensures that your financial details are handled securely during transactions. Now, adding a payment method can be done in two ways. One is you can open the Booking.com app on your mobile device, but if you're comfortable using your computer or on the web, just go to Booking.com, hover to your profile on the upper right corner. I need you to click on Manage Account. And once you are here, what will happen is just click on the payment details, because in this section you can securely add or remove payment methods to make it easier when you book. Click the Manage Payment Details, and as you can see, if you haven't done already, you won't be seeing any pre-filled or auto-populated list on the payment details. This is the perfect time for you to add a card. And once you're at it, all you're gonna do is put in your cardholder's name, your card number, and of course your expiration date. In my case, I'm gonna log into my Bank of America account. I'm gonna need to log into my account here. Once I've logged in, it's gonna be a lot easier to integrate or authorize both platforms, so you're not gonna be having any problems along the way. But if you do, say for example, you are having problems or there like a technical glitch, bug, or problems you encounter along the way, like putting on your credit card or debit card as one of the payment methods, you might want to go here instead. This is the Booking.com customer service, which is 24 hours daily to open to cater all your questions. All right, and from here, all you're gonna do is you can send them a message anytime you want it. All right. And from there, once you get a hold of the customer staff, tell them you're having problems adding a payment method on your Booking.com account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.